Okay, hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve problem from lead code. So problem number is 242. Problem is valid anagram. Okay, so we need to find out that it is valid anagram or not. Okay, so we have input anagram, comma nagram. Okay, then we need to find out that these two is anagram or not. Okay, so first of all I need to use counter to count the frequency of anagram. Okay, so a is present here three time. Okay, so a frequency is 3 and n frequency is 1 from here. N is appear one time. Okay, and g is appear one time here. So g frequency is 1, r frequency is 1 because I have one time. Okay, m also present one time here. Okay, so again I am going to calculate its frequency by using counter. Okay, so n appears one time, a appear three time here, G appear one time, R appear one time, okay, M appear one time. Okay, so these are the frequencies of anagram and nagram. Okay, so both are compare. I'm going to compare both of these. Okay, so here compare and both are equal. Okay, then it will true. So both are anagram. Okay, so these are the valid anagram. This is the example. Okay, guys. So here I'm going to write code for here from collection. I'm going to import counter that it will use to count the frequency like this. Okay, for anagram and anagram and nagram. Okay, here this is the class solution, and here I'm going to define function. Okay, so function name is anagram. Here I'm going to pass string str first string. Okay, this one anagram, and here I'm going to pass t. This is the another string that is nagram. Okay, so output should be in bool, that is true or false. Okay, so that's why I need to write here bool. Okay, so it will return the counter of s. Okay, so here I'm going to use counter of s, that is this one. Okay, that is equals to counter of t. Okay, if both are true, then it is anagram. Okay, if it is not true, then it is not anagram. Okay, so here, what? I'm going to create object. Okay, object for class solution. Here I'm going to pass this class. Okay, guys, so I am going to clear all output. Okay, after this, I'm going to print here use sol dot is anagram. This is the function name is anagram. Here inside this, I need to pass both of these things, anagram and nagram. Okay, so we can check here. Okay, so one break it, two break it. What is the difference? Why I got error? Okay, I missed here double quotes. Okay, so we can check this is true. Okay, and we can check with the another example. In place of anagram I need to write rat, or in place of nagram I need to write cat. Okay, so yes, this is false because if we are going to count these frequency they will not match. Okay, so that's why its output is false. Okay, so I hope you got it.